and I am going to review the Melanin King. He's got some great money advice, but it could use some tweaking. So if you need to save $5,000 in a few months, I'm going to review his advice right here, and I'm going to show you a few options that might just grow the money in addition to saving the money. And I'm going to give it my rating of bad strategy or boss move.
Dollars you make, fold it up, put it away, out of sight, out of mind. This is a savings trick I learned from some Asian on TikTok. So let's try it. All right, so I have all these sorted out by hundreds. So I have to save all of this and only spend this. All right, I got them all right here folded.
Now, here is where I call bad strategy. He's got all the money in his wallet. Now, number one, he could lose the wallet. Number two, he opens the wallet up to take the money out that he has over in the far left hand corner, the little roll of money. That's his spending money. What are the odds that he's going to pull that spending money out and not pull out or accidentally pull out the other money next to it? Sounds like a bad strategy for me. And number three, you open that wallet up in a convenience store in the wrong neighborhood, and you ain't gonna have that wallet full of money very long, and you may not be in the best of shape afterwards. You're really gonna have a bad day if you lose that wallet after all that sacrifice to save $5,000. Let's see what else he has to say.
Fold it up. Like I said, this is savings and this is spending. Let me know in the comments down below if you try this.
And my obvious answer is no. I would try saving the money, but my method of doing it would be to put the money into a savings account, have my check deposited directly into the savings account or checking account, and then have the money automatically drafted, which you can set up in most instances. You can draft from your checking to your savings or draft from your savings to your checking automatically every month, whatever amount you want. That way, the money is safely stored away. It's much harder for you to spend that money because it takes a little bit more effort to write that check or to go to the ATM or to use that debit card. And if you only keep your spending money in your checking account, then you have to transfer the money out of savings into checking. So it can be a number of hassles that make it a little bit more difficult to spend that money impulsively. So a bit more impulse control there. So that's what would turn this from bad strategy into a boss move. And as a bonus, you might actually draw some interest on that money. And once you have that 5,000 saved up, you can take that money and move it into ETFs, like a S&P 500 ETF, which has historically paid 10% per year. Or you can open up IRA and save that money in an IRA, which will make it even harder for you to withdraw the money because there are penalties for early withdrawal before reaching retirement age. So these are my extra tips to turn this from bad strategy to a boss move. And I'll talk to you later.